Hey, what's up, family? I just wanted to give this quick testimonial. I joined Novae Money roughly about a year ago, maybe a little bit longer. Um, yeah, a little bit longer, maybe a year and a half ago. Um, but what I wanted to tell you is that I have a quick testimonial to share. So yesterday morning, I got a call from one of my business partners, and he informed me that a business that we had been working on for several years, that I was able to get funding for through Novae Money Loan. Um, we got the capital that we needed, and we were able to secure 50 stores in the state of Texas and also the entire state of Arizona. Um, I won't give too many details at this point, but we just signed some major deals, and it's a beautiful thing. I'm thankful. Shout out to Brother Haziq Ali, um, Rico McDaniel, Seth Mitchell. Um, thank you for making everything go through nice and smooth. Um, that's all I wanted to say. That's my testimonial. Um, if you got any questions, let me know. Peace.